Okay, so for the first method, go to the search bar in the starting menu. To that, type cmd. Make sure to run it as an administrator. Make sure to type sfc space /scannow. Click enter, and this will be verifying the integrity of the system files and will resolve any issue regarding any error occurring. After the scan is finished, now you need to type this command: DISM space /online space /cleanup image space /RestoreHealth. I will be leaving the two commands below in the description, so you can just copy and paste. After that, click enter. You have to wait a short period of time to execute the prompt. After you finish, make sure to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. If not, make sure to follow this step. Go to the file explorer. After that, go to this PC. Go to your drive. If you have more than one drive, make sure to apply this for both. So go to the first one, which is C by default. Right click and then go to properties. Go to tools. Then make sure to run error checking. So click on check. From here, the system will check the drive file system errors and will resolve the issue if you have any corrupted files. After that, click OK. Again, make sure to restart your computer if it did not work. Now for the next method, go to settings. After that, go to system, scroll down, select recovery. After that, in the fix problems using Windows Update, make sure to set reinstall now. Windows Update might be the problem in your case, so by doing this, it will restore any corrupted files before the latest update. Now if you still have the problem, the last step fortunately is to go to the recovery options and then select restart or reset this PC. By selecting this, even if you select keep my files, it will unfortunately delete your third-party apps, so make sure to leave this method as the last one if you don't have any choice.